Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be teaching you looks for beginners. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the first block in looks is say hello for 2 seconds. What this does is it will say a message just for 2 seconds and then stop. So you can put any input in any seconds. Point 1, it will not, it just stops and then goes. The next block is say hello. Now this block just says hello forever, that's all. Or ends the thing right when it says it. And then think hymns for 2 seconds means like that. So the character's thinking of it. And then you get the point, the same thing as hello. And then think so this will think forever. Okay, so switch costume to costume 2 allows you to switch costume to costume 2. As you can see, I have 2 costumes. And you can switch between the number, which costume you want. And the next costume allows you to go to the next costume. So this is the next costume after this one, and then that one's the next costume after this one. Now the next block is switch backdrop to backdrop 1. So if I said I had let's say I had, let's just draw that. And if I say this block, it will switch backdrop like that. The next block is next backdrop, which switches the backdrops to the next. Then change size by 10, makes the size bigger. You can also do negative value. Set size to 100, just sets it normal position. Change color effect by 25, changes your color effect. You can also change effects like ghost, which makes your thing more invisible. The next block is set color effect, so it will set anything, whatever you put, to 0. So if I said set ghost effect to 0, now it's normal. Clear graphic effects means it clears everything, so it clears the brightness, music, pixelate, whirl, fisheye, color, and ghost. It sets it to 0. And then show and hide, it will show the block, and then hide. Now it will not show, and you can see these change. Then go to front layer, meaning it'll go to the front layer. So if I show it, go to front layer. If I go back, well, you can't see that because let me just draw a square like that. So when I do this again, go to front layer, it just goes to front layer. And then back layer goes back layer. And then go forward 1 layer, just goes on to certain layers. So yeah, like that. Now the costume number block says you can use this in a Boolean statement saying if costume number is equal to whatever, then do this. And then the next block, or you can do costume name. The next block is backdrop number, so it's the same thing, but with backdrop. And then size, you can just put this in like if statement saying if size is equal to 100, then you can do whatever you want. Okay, so yeah, that was a tutorial on this looks for beginner. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Gotta catch 'em all.